Unfortunately, I met many cases where companies use Excel as a fundamental data stack, and I often met people inside such companies that feels displeased by the speed of such files. In this video you will see one, and not the only, solution for this problem. And the summary is that you have to separate data collection from data aggregation or analysis. I'm showing you workbooks that come from the online and free version of Excel. Many companies I met have the paid and desktop version. In this workbook called Sales, you have sales data, fake in this case, and you notice that this consists in a single sheet. In my experience, I saw companies that put 300 sheets inside a single workbook. And that is disputable if you want something fast because of the tidiness. So you see that in this other workbook called the KPIs, I did an aggregation. In this case, the turnover, called as sales. How did I do this? It's very easy. Let's do it from scratch. I called the sum function and I clicked the column here. It's very easy in terms of steps. Then you go to data, you go here, and you go to the settings and you check this and this one. Otherwise you have some minor steps or more delays in general. And for the next column called ads cost, I did basically the same. New workbook, and notice that in this case the data can come from, for example, the Meta API, and I did a sum again. Then I calculated the return from the advertisement, and this is a simple internal formula, and it is positive. I also added the conditional formatting, nothing new here. And then I added other two values that don't come from external workbooks. So it is possible to keep Excel workbooks fast and tidy also using the online and free version that consists of 5 gigabytes of files. It is difficult, believe me, to fill those files if you just store data and not documents in image in your OneDrive folder. As I said, the companies have the paid version and they generally don't have Excel files inside OneDrive, but in another link. And this is very important because I always say to do dashboards in the proper products, in this case of Microsoft. In this case I did a KPI dashboard, we can call it like that very rawly, inside a sheet, and it seems like I go against what I say in other videos. You will see that with the free version it becomes tricky to have a dashboard with such data. Inside the Power BI, if we go to get data, we see where the problems start with the free version. Something that with the ecosystem of Google you don't have, and you will understand hands-on why I prefer the solution of Google. You see, we could click Excel workbook. That is the intuitive thing everybody would do. But with this option, you get the files, not the web version. And you understand that if you select the files, you don't have an up-to-date dashboard. You have something that you have to update. So the solution is go to more. One could search OneDrive. We don't have this option. So we could say, and this applies for the business users, use SharePoint. And we have it, but I can't use it. So one workaround is to use the web. Let's say connect. We get the link, but if we paste it here, say connect, you see that we don't have the actual data. So as I said, it is tricky with the free version based on online Excel because we have to do more. Let me say that in the past in other kinds of content, I said that one of the advantages of Google Sheets is that it has the function import range that Excel doesn't have. It doesn't have that function. It is true. In fact, I also at that time used ChatGPT and so on to check this statement. Rightly so, we see that we import the data without an import range function because Excel has its own function that it is not called import range but something different. So what I said is true, literally speaking, is false, factual speaking. So I admit I made a mistake, and of course it is not the only one you could hear in this channel. Also, from Power BI, you can also notice something that I said in multiple occasions, that is having data stored in a SQL server is more convenient than on Excel. But these statements requires a different video because it also helps to access and retrieve, so analyze data in a much faster way than used in this video. Notice that, of course, the online workbook won't give you problems when tidy in such way when small, but it can become a problem if you have a workbook that consists in 30 or more megabytes. As a final observation, I can tell you that the online version of Excel has of course fewer tools, just to mention two, Power Query and VBA, but in my opinion not everybody needs such tools. Of course, if you know them, you use more potential of the tool, but paradoxically you could also misuse the tools for specific tasks, something that again I mentioned in other videos. This video mostly discusses the data stack problem from an Excel point of view. Of course, there are also external solutions to speed and tidiness that involves reviewing entirely the data stack. But again, this is not the purpose of this video. If you want to review with me your case, you can book a free call with the link you see in the description. Bye and see you the next time.